How to get Chicken Gun 1.2.5. Let's go to YouTube. Go to that thing. Write Chicken Gun 1.2.5. Click that and press here. Sorry, that was the end. Just wait. There you go, and go. Click here. Click here. Click here. Just wait for a second. Here, click this button. It goes to the description. This is a description. Click the link in the description. There. Go down. There's 1.2.5. Click and press download it from APK File. And that's how you get it. But no, I'm not going to download it now. Only I have Chicken Gun, right? And that's how you download it. Go to the description. There is a link now. How to get Chicken Gun. Just delete Chicken Gun and then go to YouTube and write Chicken Gun 1.2.5. Click that click that blue thing in the down right corner. Click that blue thing there and press the video in the top next to these lines, and press that video in the top and just stop the video and go to the description and press the arrow to go to description, and there's a link. Press the link and go press download from APK File, and that's how you get it, and you download it. And this is how you download Chicken Gun version 1.2.5. This is how you get it. And please make sure to subscribe and leave a like and subscribe, please. And join for watching full video. Please subscribe. You're okay, and bye. Have a good day, and please leave a like and leave a subscribe. Thank you. Oh, not that. The square one.